Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing how to view Facebook password. To reset Facebook password, there are two ways. First way is from Gmail. Gmail provides the facility to autosave our Facebook. First of all, you must go to your Gmail account. On the top right corner, tap on Gmail profile. If you only have one account, then option of Google account will be shown, or if you have more than one account, then manage your Google account option will be shown. Then tap on it. To find the password, we must swipe left and go to security. Now you need to scroll down and tap on password manager. Here you can find every social media's password that you have logged in. Let's tap on facebook.com. Password manager needs PIN or fingerprints. Let's verify it. And here we can see our Facebook password. Now next way is from Chrome. Open your Chrome browser. Tap on your profile at the top of the screen. You will be on settings section. Tap on password manager. Now here you can see your social media's password. Let's tap on facebook.com. Here you again need a verification. Let's verify it. And here you can see your Facebook password. And this is how you view your Facebook password. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming videos. Thank you.